Heidi ho, happy Easter Monday. Oh, I wish it could be Easter every day, when the kids start singing and the bands begin to play. Oh, I wish it could be Easter every day. Let the bells ring out for Easter. Welcome. Hope you had a great Easter. More chalky, looks like. Right, we'll just put that over there. And we'll see what we got. What's on the recipe today, Jim? Ooh. This is a 2 Franks. Peter Franks. What movie was that in then? Peter Franks. Right. You get 2 points if you know the movie where that was said. Peter Franks. My name's Peter Franks. Right, let's punch a hole in it. Hope everybody's doing fine today. Hope you still got some Easter eggs left. I know I have. Right. Let's go over to the one and only, gorgeous as ever. She's got a little crash today. Right, let's show it some love. This is my 20-ton press called Big Bertha. She looks all mumsy today, doesn't she? She's got her little bunny rabbits and sheep and chickens. Sometimes she's very caring, you know. And she's not leaking, which is a bonus. Right, what we got? There's all my friends there. You've got Gary, Sarah, Bear, the 2 Ians. You've got Alan. You've got Paul from Australia. And I think, yeah, and there's Steve. How's it going, mate? Hope you're doing well. Right. It's fun, isn't it? You all on the edge of your seats again? I hope so. I know I am. Right. Let's see what we got. Sorry about some of my filming lately. It seems to be going all over the place again. You know, sort of over there and over there. I think it's because I'm just so excited, you know. I'm so excited, I just can't hide it. There we go. Right, let's bang this puppy off. And we need to deburr it with Christy Burr. Here he is. Right, what we got? Well, it's going to have to be this sunny side up, isn't it, I think? It's quite beautiful. It's quite pretty. Let's show it a bit of warmth and love and affection with Bernie. Bernie. Where is my... There he is. There's George. There he is. Oh, I forgot. This gas torch is nearly out. That should do the job. Right. Let's dry it off a bit. This is a 17-degree folding die. And that's quite nice as well, isn't it? Now we'll go with this side. This will be sunny side up on the ring. That goes face down. And then we'll go over to Big Red. He's looking very festive today as well, isn't he? There you go. Right. That's good. Let's get the boys and girls in shot, shall we? There we are. Right, let's break out Sandy. You just want to clean up that edge. like to thank you all for supporting me over the last 9 months, 10 months, however long it's been. I appreciate it. I really do. If you're new to the channel and you'd like to show me some love and some support, there's a little red button there. You hit that, you're automatically subscribed. And I'll be your bestest. Check it out. Right, now what we're going to do, I think we're going to go over to the one and only Spike himself. There he is, standing proud again. He's always standing to attention, isn't he? Right, you put the kitchen roll on to protect the inside of the coin so you don't lose the detail. Yeah, I hope everyone's had a happy, safe, chocolate-eating Easter. What's the next big thing? I suppose the next big thing's Midsummer. I'll have to think of something for that. It's a big deal here, What we got? See, that bow is out of it. Well, I just want to straighten up the walls, but yep, you guessed it. Bit more love and affection. Oh, this gas bottle is really out just about. I might be getting enough on this one. This should be the last time I have to do this on this coin, so. That ain't too bad. I could have left that on really, that gas torch, to get rid of the gas, because it has no power left in it. It's powerless. Right, let's go over to the bottom end of Spike. These are reduction dice, and you just want to find one. There's a little bit in there, I think. Or should I use my other one? Let's start with this one. There's a little bit there. It's about 3 mil sticking up, if that. It's a bit more. So I'll take this one out and we'll put this one in. Yeah, that ain't too bad. I think I went too much. On the camera, it looked okay, but on the eye, it didn't look okay. Still a bit back again. It's weird. By this, it looks like it wants to go that way. By the eye, it wants to go. Lucky I haven't had a beer today, innit? Otherwise I'd be all over the place. There you go. That's pretty sexy. That'll do for me. It's Easter, for God's sake. I've got chocolate to eat. I can't be here all day. Right, we just want to get that lip out of there. Otherwise it's uncomfortable to wear. Anyway, I digress. Right, let's get Kate Bush. There she is. Oh yeah, very nice. I might leave this the Edwin look. I quite like it. I know Beer likes the Edwin look, don't you, mate? Must admit, so do I. Ouch. It's warming up a bit. What do you think? Shall we keep it the Edwin look? Or shall we polish it? I'll tell you what, I'll polish it. I mean, this is the Edwin look, yeah? You can't go wrong with that. But I'll polish it just in case there's some new people here watching. This is the brush sort of satin look. I'll polish it. But if you prefer that look, I can always go over it with Kate again, so it's not a problem. Because there's new people popping in all the time, so I suppose I better show them both ways. Right, this is Felton John. Bit more volume. Right, what we got besides burnt fingers? I'll just clean the fingers off. So I think the rest of the day is going to be Chucky, YouTube. There might be a good movie on. I dare say I could find a good movie. Right, next question. What's your favourite movie? I mean, I'm into sci-fi. Drop it in the comments. What's your favourite movie? Of all time. Or your top 3 movies. I'd like to know what you sort of guys watch, you know, what sort of gets you going. And keep it clean, guys, come on. This is a family show. We don't want no naughty stuff on this channel, or do we? Maybe we do. Maybe it's about time we did. Right, what we got? Let's have a little butcher's at it. Let's see what we got. Now that is nice. You see what I mean? You've got the Edwin look and you've got the shiny look. That's why you use the kitchen roll. You've got all the detail on the inside of the ring. If it decides to focus. What size we got? What we got? And you always measure from the reeded side of the coin, because that's the thickest side of the coin. Stick it on the American Magic Wand here. This is a size 10 3/4. I can make it bigger. I can make it smaller. I can do magic. I have to find out the rest of the words to that song. It fits this finger perfectly. Thank you all for watching. Hope you had a great Easter. Hope you enjoyed the videos. And God willing, I'll catch you tomorrow. Back to normal tomorrow. Oh, bye-bye.